Hi everyone, today I'm filming my very first makeup tutorial video. This is your Zoom stay-at-home makeup look to impress your professors, your TAs, and your classmates. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is putting on a hair turban just to get my hair out of the way before we get started. So I'm using the Cover FX primer just to prime my face. I like this because it's not oily and it comes on quite dry. I'm using the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation for this look. This is a medium coverage, light to medium coverage, which comes on quite nicely and smoothly, and it's perfect for an everyday look, and I've been using this for years. This is an angled brush that I'm using from Real Techniques. I use this for sculpting, contour, and also for foundation as well. I'm using the Naked Skin Concealer from Urban Decay, applying it onto the areas underneath my eyes, my forehead, and my chin, and buffing it out using an angled concealer brush. Next, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pencil in the shade medium brown. I'm going to be starting from the ends of my eyebrows and working my way towards the middle. This is actually one of my favorite products from Anastasia Beverly Hills. The pencil allows you to have great control over your brows, and the other side has a spoolie which allows you to sparse out any uneven spots or any dark spots. Next, I'm going to be applying an eyeshadow primer. This one is from NYX. It's a white solid eyeshadow primer that I'm applying all over my lids. I'm using the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette for this look. First, I'm just going to be applying the white shade using a dome-shaped eyeshadow brush all over my lids. This works as a setting powder just to keep your makeup in place without having a lot of oil build up throughout the day. Next, I'm going to be using the E17 Morphe eyeshadow shading brush. I'm going to be using this taupe colored eyeshadow color and applying it towards the ends of my eyes and working my way towards the middle again. Next, I'm going to be going in with a smaller shader eyeshadow brush from Morphe. Starting with the corner of my eye, I'm going to be applying a darker shade of brown as closely as I can to the lid line. This is to create the illusion that your eyes are bigger and it will make your eyeshadows pop more. With the eyeshadow brush that I was using from earlier, I'm going back in trying to blend out both colors to make my eyes appear more smooth. This is a brown, long-lasting eyeliner from Lancome. I'm just going to be using this to line my lids. Again, you're not going to want to make it too thick because it's going to appear fake and unnatural. So mainly, I'm just going to be focusing on lining my lid lines and making it as thin as I can. With the other end, I'm just going to go back in and smudge out the areas that I had just worked on. This is mainly to make sure that there are no harsh lines. When doing this, you're going to want to make sure to extend that eyeliner just a hair longer. Again, this is the illusion that your eyes are bigger, and bigger eyes are always better, right? So this is a highlighting / contour palette that I'm using from Tarte, and I'm going in with a contour brush. I'm mainly trying to bring out my cheekbones, going back and touching up on the temples, as well as accentuating my mandible and touching up on my hairlines as well. I do this so that my face appears slimmer. This is a flat contouring brush. I'm also going to be using the same shade, just trying to highlight the bridges of my nose. This is actually my favorite thing to do. I don't have a very tall nose bridge, so I feel like this does the trick every time without going to Korea to get nose surgery. Next, I'm going to be applying one of my favorite blushes. It's from Korea. It's called Sugar Ball Cushion Cheek Color in the shade number 3. It's a very nice coral color, and I actually like using the cushion that it comes with just because it gives it a nicer bounce, and your cheeks actually don't appear to look heavy at all, which I really like. I'm using another blush color by Ciate, I think that's how you say it. And basically I'm just going in with another contour brush and buffing out the entire area, using the color as a nice transition. My lips have been pretty dry, so I'm just gonna apply some Carmex. This lip color I'm using is from Peri Pera. It's in the shade 6 and it's the Ink Velvet series. I really like this lip stain. It comes on like a nice coral slash reddish color, and it actually lasts pretty long. So I like to use this when I go to school. With the same palette, I'm going back in with my highlighting brush, dusting off any excess product before I apply this onto my cheekbones. I'm also going to be doing the same thing onto my nose bridge, touching up on the glabella, which is the part between my eyebrows, and highlighting my chin. Oh, and don't forget to highlight your brow bones as well. Look at how cute this thing is. It's a nice makeup compact. This is what I like to use after I'm done with my makeup at the very end, just to set everything in place and make sure that there's no oil that can possibly accumulate throughout the day. And we're done! Thank you guys for watching so much. This was my very first makeup tutorial, just in case you couldn't tell. Well, thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye!